Our commitment. We address your plumbing and drainage needs in a timely, courteous and professional manner whenever you need us. When you call us, you are in the hands of plumbing professionals that have the expertise and experience required to provide you with a comprehensive analysis of your plumbing situation and fix it right the first time. Our focus of providing the highest quality plumbing services and products along with our professional commitment earned us the reputation of being the first choice of many commercial clients like you. They count on us to take care of their plumbing needs day or night. Full-service plumbing services. Faucets. Bath sinks. Kitchen sinks. Water heaters. Winterizing, dewinterizing. Drain pipes. Sewer line. Garbage disposals. Laundry centers. Gas vents. Gas pipe welding. Septic plumbing certifications. Complete plumbing system installation. Water conditioners. Drain and sewer service. Drain cleaning. Pipe repair. Washer lines. Toilets. Floor drains. Grease traps. Tree roots removal. Video inspections. Acid pipe. And more. So if you need any kind of service from us, then go to the given description down below.